Behold, the century egg. To an American, this black egg might look like a strange thing to put in your mouth.
你的你美国没有的吗？你说，我们中国很多的，比的很好吃的，你们尝一下，试一下，好吧
？This great big story is inspired by Genesis.
The century egg, aka the 1,000-year-old egg, the millennium egg, or simply the black egg, is a preserved egg that is considered a delicacy in China. There are only a few people that continue to make them in the traditional way, including this husband and wife pair.
一直加工40多年了。
A century egg is created by mixing tea, quicklime, salt, and freshly burned wood ashes with water to create a mud-like paste. Raw eggs are then covered in the paste, rolled in rice husks so they don't stick together, put in a vat, and left to sit, as the name suggests, for 100 years. Okay, it just looks like they've been sitting for 100 years.
天的是挺好吃的，天冷的是吃到30天。
看下面个蛋剥开来就是黑的嘛，很好看的嘛，外面是黄的，里面是黑的，溜咻咻的。
While the origins of the dish are murky, legends trace the creation back over 500 years to the Ming Dynasty, when a farmer discovered duck eggs lying naturally preserved in a muddy pool of water. Today, the century egg is often eaten during special occasions.
要是我们地方一般人要是订婚、结婚都是用的啦，油微微的嘛，很好吃的嘛。
Of course, not everyone is a fan at first.
我吃很好吃，人家吃它是不好吃，对吧？这样的人也有的。
But for the millions and millions who love to eat century eggs, Uncle Wu and Auntie Sun plan to keep on making them.
我人还为着做到东北就要做下去，很好吃的，请你们外国人都吃比的。